Hi, it's John, working on 4Clojure problems. This one is number 63, group a sequence. It's labeled as easy. Wasn't that easy, but we'll get into that. And it says, now give a function f and a sequence s. Write a function which returns a map. The keys should be the values of f applied to each item in s. The value at each key should be a vector of corresponding items in the order that they appear in S. Okay, so what we do is we write a function. We'll call it my group by. It will take the function f and some sequence s. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to map the function f across s. That will give us all the results, and then we also want to make a map of the answer as the key and the value. Sorry, the key will be the result of the function, and the value will be the input to the function. Okay, let's make our test example here so we can follow through with this. Okay, so we're going to do my group by, and we'll paste in their example. So evaluate here, value right there. Okay, false, false, true, true. And now what we want to do is we want to map across these results. We're going to have some function, and we'll say there's a key that comes in and a value that comes in, and we just want to make a new map for the key and the value for each of those. And we want the first thing to be the result and the second thing to be the input. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so we have false 1, false 3, true 6, true 8. So now we need to merge these. So there is a function called merge with, and it will take a function, and that function that it takes has two args, and the args are we'll call it merged and new. Okay, so what we want to do is this merge with function is going to handle the case when it's trying to merge where the key is already in the new map. And what we want to do is we want to cons the merged with the new. Okay, and then we want to put all that inside the merge with function. Alright, let's try that out. Okay, we're off by one because when we did our map here, we ended up with a list. We need to apply merge with to that list, because merge with is expecting many maps, not a sequence of maps as its arguments. Okay, try that out. Okay, and then looks close, but what we wanted was, we want to put that into a vector. Let's try that. Okay, a little too nested. There we go. Cons merged new. Alright, so true 6 8, false 1 3. That looks good, and I think the other test cases will work as well. So let's just go ahead and enter that into the site and see how we did. Green, oh, didn't work. Didn't work. Let's try it out and see what happens. Two-thirds says 4 6. One half seems that our nesting is a little different. One half has okay. Let's see. Maybe let's just do concat. Okay, so first thing is whoops. Two-thirds gives us 4 6. Well, now we're back to the same thing. Okay, so it says we want to have a vector no matter what. So what we want to do here is let's do this. We're going to put the value in a vector. And then that should make it easier, right? Then everything's easier, because then we just say we're just going to conj the new thing into this vector, and we don't need to do into a vector. There we go. That looks better. That's easier. Alright, so all we do is we made the value, we put that in a vector every time. That way, the first time when we conj this together, the merged for the original one is going to already be a vector, so conj is going to work. And then you put the new as a vector, and that works out. So that is the way to do it. Let's try again. Oh no. What happened now? Oh, now we're too nested. So, what do we want? Concat, probably, huh? Concat. Concat into a vector? Sure. Try again. True, 6, 8. There we go. And that one looks right as well. Now we're making some progress. Okay, let's test that again. Green, green, green. Alright, we got it. Thank you for watching.